This is the Oraimo BoomPop Air, an on-ear wireless headphone with spatial audio, game mode, dual device connectivity, and long battery life. And after using this guy for the past 1 week, I realized that Oraimo didn't try to do too much on these headphones. Instead, they kept things simple. Let's get down to business. At the time of making this video, the Oraimo BoomPop Air sells for 33,900 Naira on Oraimo Nigeria website or store app, which is approximately $25. And if you decide to pick one right now, you can use my discount code BRACKET and you get a 5% discount on your purchase. This code works on other Oraimo products too. Thank you. Inside the box, you get the Oraimo BoomPop Air itself, a USB A to C charging cable, a user manual, and something I don't see very often at this price point, an extra pair of air cushions. So that means if the original hair cushions that come with it wear out over time, you already have a replacement pair waiting for you in the box. Well done, Oraimo. Oraimo made these headphones in 5 different colors, but we only have 3 on the Oraimo website and Oraimo store app. Here with me, I have the Gravity Black, which is not bad at all. The first thing you will notice when you pick this guy up is how lightweight it feels. It is almost plastic all round, aside from this headband. The rest of it, of the body, is plastic. In fact, I can say that this is one of the lightest headphones I've used recently. At just 126 grams on a kitchen scale, it is actually lighter than most modern phones out there. For example, my Samsung S25 Ultra. And once you put this guy on, it almost disappears. Another point worth noting is that there is virtually no pressure point on this guy. I mean, no clamping force on these headphones. If you put it on like this, you are going to feel the comfort almost immediately. So if comfort is your priority, this Oraimo BoomPop Air gets a lot right. However, these headphones comes with a cost. Because the clamping force is fairly light, these ear cushions are not wrapped around the ears, so it is not designed for vigorous movement. If you shake your head aggressively when you have these guys on, they have tendency of slipping off, as you can see. So I think they are excellent for guys who work from home, sitting in a spot like an office setting like what I'm doing right now, or in a workspace or third home. And if you are studying, you are watching movies, you are listening to podcasts, you are doing all sorts of things, just not moving too much, this guy will sit put. It comes with Bluetooth 5.3, which is very stable once connected to your device. It uses SBC and AAC as its audio codecs. Right on the Oraimo Sound app, which you can download on your Google Play Store or your Apple App Store, you can unlock more features of this Oraimo BoomPop Air. You have access to an equalizer in the app if you want to tune the headphones to your preferred sound quality. It also has spatial audio, which works very well. You can turn it on in the app, and I tested it and I like using it when I'm watching movies. It creates a wider presentation, making music and movies sound a little more immersive. You also get prompt tone volume, which you can adjust the slider to increase or decrease the robotic voice prompt. Another feature you will love is the game mode. It helps you to reduce latency during your gameplay and make explosions and gunshots sound more bassy. So you can use that to track footsteps of your enemy they are coming behind or around you. Lest I forget, you also have access to dual connectivity. That means you can connect 2 devices to this guy simultaneously. But this time, Oraimo introduced a real-time dual connectivity. With this feature, you can see the name of the device you want to connect to, and it will act as your second device with just a click. Yes, it is that simple. So you don't need to pair the first device off the Bluetooth, then pair the second device and connect it back. No, just have to do it with just a single click. First, you can adjust the headband to accommodate a larger head size. The air cushion can swivel and lay flat, making the headphone easier to rest around your neck or lay flat on a table, but they don't fold. On the right air cushion, you will find the power button for turning on and off these headphones, followed by a multifunction control knob. Using that knob, you can increase or decrease the headphone's volume. You can also use it to pause and play your music. And if you want to skip forward a track or go to the previous music, you can also use it. You can even press hold the knob for 2 seconds to summon your phone voice assistant. And if you press it down twice, it will switch from normal mode to game mode. Honestly, the controls are surprisingly good. And I like the implementation because once you learn the controls on this guy, you really reach out to your smartphone. The Oraimo BoomPop Air comes with 40mm drivers in them, and for the price, the sound quality is actually decent. Out of the box, the tuning leans towards bass. So if you are someone that enjoys Afro music, amapiano, hip-hop, or generally bass-heavy music, there's a good chance you will enjoy how these guys sound. The bass is present in moderation, the vocals are clear, and the highs are trimmed a bit, which is decent enough for everyday listening. Now, I won't call these an audiophile headphones, but for casual music listening, YouTube, movies, or podcast, this guy gets the job done. And if you don't like the default tuning, you can open the Oraimo Sound app and switch between the different EQ presets or create your own. So you are not necessarily stuck with the default sound quality. Battery life is one area where the Oraimo BoomPop Air impressed me. Oraimo advertises up to 80 hours of battery life in some of its marketing materials. However, during my own testing, I got 62 hours, 19 minutes of playback time at 60% volume while playing DJ mix audio content. Now, the battery life varies depending on the volume and the type of music you are listening to and the features you are using. And it will be enough for several days of listening before you need to charge it. The Oraimo BoomPop here comes with a built-in microphone for calls and online meetings. Should you buy the Oraimo BoomPop here? Well, it depends on what you are looking for. If your priority is comfort, battery life, and everyday usability with a retro or minimalistic vibe, then the Oraimo BoomPop Air makes a lot of sense. I could wear it for hours without feeling any noticeable pressure on my head. But if you want a headphone with ANC, a premium build, something designed for intense workout, you'll be using it on the go, moving vigorously, shaking your body, then this is not the best headphone. For the right person, it is lightweight and price matters more than anything else. So if you decide to get one for yourself, please don't forget to use the discount code BRACKET and enjoy a 5% discount.